Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today we'll be making the pattern illustration for this beautiful boo that you see. So if this is what you're interested in, let's get right into the video. Now this fabric is called a metallic liquid organza. Now I did a tutorial previously, you can check it. I know it's not there, but you would have an idea. So we're going to start right away. Now, if you're a beginner, I would not advise that you use that fabric because it's really expensive. A yard of it is going for about 25,000 naira in the market right now. So to start, what you're going to do is to fold your fabric into whatever you're using. You can go ahead and use the main organza that we have in the market. The normal organza is still fine, but this one is expensive, and if you're a beginner, I wouldn't advise you to use it because it's very delicate. And if you're using it, please, I would advise that you seek a lot of guidance. If you have guidance, just go ahead. And then so what we're going to do is to start. This is the center front, and then the shoulder area there. We're not going to be cutting it open. So what you're going to do next is to get your neck width. And if I was cutting this on actual fabric, I'm going to be using 3.5 inches. So after you mark that point, the next thing you're going to do is to come down, but let's say like 7 to 8 inches. Come down by 7 to 8 inches, and then you come in by 1 inch. Make sure that you come in by 1 inch, and then you connect all the way to the shoulder area as you see me doing. Come in by 1 inch or by 2 inch. Reason is we're going to be adding a strap to the front in form of a collar all the way through, all around the neck, and all the way down to the length of the dress. So come in by 2 inch and then connect all the way to the hem line as you see me doing. So this is it. So the next thing you're going to do is to determine the length of the boo. You're going to determine the length, how long you want it to be. Now you should not take it all, you should not make it too long, because so that it doesn't cover whatever outfit that you'll be wearing underneath. So just go ahead and cut out as you have seen me doing. The next thing is to open it up like this. The reason for this is because we want to work on the back neck depth. So what you're going to do is to come down by 1 inches or 1.5 inches for the neck back depth, and then you're going to connect in a circle like this, in a round shape like this as you see me doing, not circle, a round shape like this. And then you're going to cut it open all the way down to the other side of the front, and down to the full length of the dress. You're just going to cut it. And remember, I said for the front it should come in by 1 inch or 2 inches even. It depends on how big you're going to make your strap, and then cut down. Okay, so now that we've done this, the next thing we're going to do is to turn it back again like this, and then we are going to come down from the shoulder area. We're going to come down to your under bust, or to your bust points, whichever one you prefer, and then you're going to measure down 10 inches or 12 inches. This is for the stitching allowance. We're going to be stitching that part so that the dress does not open up, like something that you just put on your body and just open up. So you're just going to stitch these areas down. 10 inches, 12 inches is fine. So the next thing we're going to do is to open this up again. We're going to open this up again like this. What we're trying to do next is to get the design that we have in the front. There's a slit in front. They just made like a V shape in front. So that's what we're going to do. So you're going to just place your mark at this point like this, and then connect all the way to however short or open you want it to be. You can make it straight, or you can slant it a bit or curve it a bit. You can just do whatever you want basically on this part. So you can see how it looks. This is how it looks like. It is very easy to make. So I'm just going to highlight these areas to like note that it is for allowance. I just highlighted those areas. So the next thing you're doing is to cut a long strap of fabric. This is what we'll be using for the neck, as the band for the neck, all the way down to the side of the dress like this, the front. So you're going to place the center of the band to the center of the back neck, and then you're going to connect it like this. You're going to stitch it down all the way to the hem line like this. It is very easy, no difficulties. So just go ahead and try this pattern and see how it turns out. This is basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stick with us for more videos to come, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.